Hi everyone. I'm George, and I'm here to talk about my husband Wilbert's and my experience in accessing and using the Seniors Health and Wellness Center services. We are both in our 70s, and a few years ago, we relocated to the serene and beautiful Bastion Bay on Shuswap Lake to enjoy our retirement. We had vacationed on this lake for years, as Bert grew up in the interior and his family spent many a summer at the lake. Sadly, my husband had a stroke recently which caused an unanticipated turn in our lives. Since then, he has been mostly bedridden and dealing with a number of medical conditions, including an enlarged prostate and trouble controlling his bladder. This has been an exceedingly challenging situation for both of us, not just for him. From Bastion Bay, the closest Seniors Health and Wellness Center is approximately 120 kilometers away, and can only be reached by car in 1 hour and 35 minutes. We have a really hard time getting to the necessary essential services because of the travel time and the distance involved. Local clinic doctors typically focus on one problem at a time. But Bert's illness requires the collaboration of several healthcare professionals. He needs regular physiotherapy and speech therapy to recuperate from the effects of the stroke. He also needs an incontinence nurse to assist him with his bladder control. The Seniors Health and Wellness Center has all these services in one place, but it is only open 1 day a week. We also require help with social work, as not only is Bert adjusting to the effects of the stroke, but also the caregiving role I have had to take on has put a strain on our personal relations. Emotionally and sexually, this has been really hard. We both need someone to talk to. Even though I'm well enough to go about my everyday chores, I can't take care of my husband, in his current state, on my own. Moving him into a wheelchair, and subsequently a car, is risky and physically taxing. And it's difficult to get home care out here. It's hard to travel to the Seniors Health Center for every appointment. We have been late, or missed appointments, because I couldn't get Bert ready and into the car on time, on my own. And since we are new here, we don't feel we can be ourselves when we go there. We are not sure how folks are around here with gay people yet. I don't know how they would treat us if they knew for sure that we are a gay couple. And the costs. We just got this house. Now we have to make changes to it so Bert can get around easier. We didn't expect to need a commode at this stage of our lives. With all of the challenges that we have been through and the changes in our lifestyle, I just really hope that with the help of the Seniors Health Center, my husband can adjust to his new life and we can go back to enjoying our retirement on the lake. We appreciate you listening to our story. By sharing what we have been through, we hope to raise awareness of the importance of services that accept us for who we are and are accessible even to seniors who live in remote regions like Bastion Bay.
George and Wilbert's goal in moving to Bastion Bay, a remote community in the interior of BC, was to live out their golden years in peace, but these health issues have made things difficult for them. The availability of all-encompassing, consistent and nearby health and wellness services would greatly impact all older adults' quality of life. Having a support structure that attends to the various needs of seniors, especially those managing complex issues, and healthcare providers that accept their identities as more than just seniors, is just as important as providing medical treatment.